Hi, everybody. This is Ruth Frey with Keller Williams Infinity out of Plainfield, Illinois. And it is my privilege today to welcome Liane Luckett with Home Warranty of America. And she and I are going to have a quick discussion about home warranties and how they work and what the advantage is for you to have one. So, Liane, welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to be here and help your clients out with our 13-month plans, Ruth.
Sounds fantastic. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got involved with HWA?
Sure. Actually, February 1st, I'll be celebrating my 21st anniversary with HWA. Yeah, so I've been with them for a couple decades, seen us grow from a small Midwestern company to a national company. I've actually been the top producer every year with them, so I'm thankful for that. And just really enjoy working with HWA. And I think the biggest thing that I enjoy about my job is helping real estate agents get their deals together and helping their clients save money on repairs and replacements of their systems.
Yeah, that sounds great. And I've used HWA and Liane before, and it has been a great experience. Can you explain exactly what a home warranty is and how does it work?
Sure. So what we offer is a repair or replacement policy on all major mechanicals and appliances that fail due to normal wear and tear during the course of our contract. We do offer the only 13-month home warranty plan. So when a homeowner experiences a mechanical failure, they can either file a claim with us online or they can call our toll-free number 7 days a week. We'll dispatch out a contractor that will come out, diagnose what the issue is, determine whether the unit can be repaired, or if the unit can't be repaired, then we offer replacement. So it gives buyers more confidence, more peace of mind in a real estate transaction, knowing they're not going to have a huge financial outlay in the event something breaks down for the first 13 months.
So that really, there's a lot of buyers that ask for a home warranty when they purchase a home, especially a home that might have older mechanicals or a thing or that just needs, some sort of like security or whatever. So I can assume that a home warranty would be a great advantage for them to ask for in a real estate transaction, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. It gives them, like I said, more peace of mind knowing that they're not going to have the hassle of trying to find a vendor and the hassle and the financial burden of, replacing their systems after they've just purchased one of their largest investments in their life.
Yeah. I've had several people that are first-time home buyers that are like, I can't even use a screwdriver. So how am I going to do any repairs? And I was like, home warranty. So that helps. HWA in itself has 3 plans with various degrees of coverage. Can you describe what the major advantages, like differences, are with each plan? And I will link all the plans below so everybody can take a look at that too.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, we offer 3 different plans with 3 different price points and coverage levels. We have what's called our gold plan, our platinum plan, and our diamond plan. Our diamond plan is, of course, our most comprehensive plan, which covers all the major mechanicals, all the appliances within the main foundation of the property. Likewise, our platinum plan includes all the major mechanicals and appliances as well. However, the diamond plan will also cover items that might be improperly installed or mismatched systems, as well as the costs associated with the removal of the defective equipment. Our least comprehensive plan is our gold plan. That covers most major mechanicals and appliances, but does, however, exclude the washer, the dryer, and the refrigerator. So we highly recommend buyers for the small price point differences, like the platinum plan and the diamond plan is only a $40 difference. You get a lot of value from going with the most comprehensive plan.
Yeah, that makes sense. So what would you say are the most common repairs that HWA covers?
By far, water heaters. I think we replace a gazillion water heaters on a weekly basis across the country. HVAC is our second most common, which is the furnace and, of course, the air conditioning unit. And lastly, appliances. I mean, anything that's used on a regular basis, like a washing machine or the dishwashers, tend to break down because they're, being used consistently.
Yeah, yeah, and that makes total sense. And that's a good advantage to have that home warranty on for sure. Can you speak to some of the misconceptions that people have about home warranties?
Yeah, I think they have to understand that, it's a process. They have to call us to file a claim. Sometimes they're not aware of that process and they end up just calling their own vendor out, which negates coverage. We have to make sure that, we have our qualified, vendors who are already screened. They're, no complaints with the Better Business Bureau. They're licensed, they're bonded. So we want to make sure they're using quality people. And I think some of the other misconceptions are that everything is covered. So we really emphasize that we strictly cover major mechanicals and the appliances. We don't cover anything structural like windows, doors, floors, the foundation. We don't cover acts of God. We do get calls for lightning strikes or fire or theft or things that fall under homeowners insurance. And then lastly, we don't cover any secondary damage. So we cover the primary cost of the system that fails and the labor to install it. So for example, if the sump pump goes out, we'll replace the sump pump, but if their basement flooded, that's considered secondary damage and none of the warranty companies cover for secondary damage. So our goal is to have a happy client, a positive experience. A lot of that is, really education, making sure they understand here's what's covered and here's what's not covered so they have a good experience. And again, we have a happy customer.
Yeah, you basically need to read the brochure and the documents that show you what you're covered, and then you'll know. So yeah, education is really important. I agree. Do you know, or does having a home warranty help with insurance rates at all? Or do you know?
Honestly, I've never been asked that question, and I don't think it has a bearing because, again, we make for a nice marriage.
Yes.
With homeowners insurance. We cover what they don't and vice versa.
Okay, that makes sense. And then lastly, how can anybody reach out to you to get more information about home warranties?
Okay, well, thank you. I am available 7 days a week on my cell phone, which is 708-205-5193. It's also text friendly. And then, of course, you can always email me as well, too, which my email address is LLUCKE, as in Tom, at hwahomewarranty.com.
Great. And I thank you so much for coming on and speaking to me a little bit about home warranties. And I hope that this brought value to all of you that are watching, and make sure to reach out to Liane with any questions about home warranties. And I thank you so much.